Welcome to Toronto Pearson International Airport. And rolling through the background there, my friends, is a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This aircraft, more specifically, is known as Foxtrot Golf Delta Tango and is operated by Air Canada. Today, it'll be known as Air Canada 127, and it is our ride to Vancouver. Now, ironically, 9 days later on a return trip on Air Canada 116, we rode in the same aircraft. Now that it may not sound very interesting or exciting, but you have to realize planes are in continual motion and routes all around the world. So to get back onto the same airplane on a return trip like this, it is a very unusual occurrence to have happen. And as we push back from Gate 120 here at Terminal 1 at Toronto, I want to give a big shout out and thanks to a buddy of mine, Sylvain. He provided that video at the beginning of us flying over his condo at Woodbine Racetrack. Sylvain is an actor in Toronto, and I'll link his IMDb here in the description, and feel free to check him out, see if you've seen him in any of the major TV series and music videos he's appeared in recently. Now, at its time of construction, the 787 was a revolutionary new aircraft built mostly of carbon composites, with some minor aluminum and titanium in places like engine pylons where that extra strength is needed. Now, because it's mostly composite, that makes it an insulator, not a conductor. So to meet lightning strike protection requirements, the whole aircraft is wrapped in a copper sheet. Now, the Air Canada Dreamliner is a 3-cabin configuration layout. Up in business class, you've got the nice comfy looking pods. Behind that section is the premium economy, and that's actually where you board just ahead of the wing. It's a 2+2+2 configuration, comparable to most business class seats on regular Air Canada flights. And then in the rear two sections of the aircraft, you've got regular economy, which is a 3-3-3 layout, and that's where we were for this flight. As we make the turn on to 05 for departure, you'll notice something else. The Dreamliner is incredibly quiet. Those two big GE NX engines, when they spool up for departure, there's not the big loud scream of thrust that you hear from most aircraft. As with a lot of flights I've been on lately, cloud cover's been pretty heavy and there hasn't been a whole lot to see as you go. Thankfully, the Dreamliner's got a pretty good in-flight entertainment system. I was able to grab a couple first-run movies while we were cruising along at 40,000 feet. Now, just crossing over Calgary, we into the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. The clouds did clear briefly. We were able to get a quick glance down at Banff down there in the valley. And then the clouds packed themselves back in as we covered over the rest of the Rockies, past Kelowna, and started our approach into Vancouver. As we make our final approach to runway 26 right here in Vancouver on this overcast and rainy Thursday evening, I'd like to say thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see a few more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I got a bunch more from our Alaska adventure coming out in the next few weeks.